Hi, this is Teacher Jennifer from U.S. Citizenship Podcast. Today I'm going to read an email dated February 18th, 2020 from the USCIS at publicgovdelivery.com. This is an email about the USCIS update regarding applicants filing Form I-765 for OPT. OPT is Optional Practical Training. Let's get started. Before we begin, I would like to do some quick definitions. EAD, Employment Authorization Document. F1, Non-Immigrant Student Visa. I-20, Certificate of Eligibility for Non-Immigrant Student Status. I-765, Applicant for Employment Authorization. Lockbox, a secure place to send a USCIS form. OPT, Optional Practical Training for F1 students. STEM OPT, Science, Technology, Engineering, and Mathematics degree, Optional Practical Training. USCIS update regarding applicants filing Form I-76 for OPT. USCIS continues to experience delays at certain lockboxes in issuing receipt notices for Form I-765, application for employment authorization, based on the eligibility categories described in Title 8, Code of Federal Regulations, Part 274A, Section 12, subsections C, Paragraph 3, relating to the Optional Practical Training OPT for F1 students. While we have made progress in addressing these delays, USCIS would like to provide additional clarification and reminders. Date on arrival equals received date. These delays will not affect the received date. All submissions are date stamped upon arrival at the lockbox, so regardless of when the lockbox processes your application, your received date will reflect the date it actually arrived at the lockbox. Update I-765 addresses and instructions. USCIS will not reject applications solely because they were filed at the lockbox address in use prior to the change to the filing address instructions announced on January 8, 2021. And you can find these addresses at www.uscis.gov/I-765-addresses. USCIS encourages applicants filing Form I-765 to always check the form instructions on the website for the most current, up-to-date filing instructions. For more information, go to www.uscis.gov/I-765. Here is a screenshot of the USCIS.gov I-765 addresses page. As you can see, the addresses for the I-765 is broken down into certain different categories. For asylees, nationality, foreign students, eligible dependents of employees on diplomatic mission, employment-based non-immigrants, family-based non-immigrants, pending adjustment of status, other categories, and replacement for card errors. In this situation, we would take a look at either under foreign students or employment-based non-immigrants. STEM OPT. If you have timely filed the Form I-765 based on STEM OPT and your post-completion OPT period expires while the application is pending, we will automatically extend the employment authorization for 180 days. The Form I-20, endorsed by the designated school official recommending a STEM extension, together with the expired Form I-766 Employment Authorization document issued for the post-completion of OPT, establishes identity and work authorization for the purposes of documenting employment authorization. What is USCIS doing? USCIS is aware of the impact the delays have on non-immigrant students. The USCIS Lockbox workforce continues to work extra hours and to redistribute its workload while maintaining COVID-19 protection measures in order to minimize the delays. Once USC opens and processes your application, USCIS will print and mail the receipt. USCIS is working to prevent receiving delays from resulting in a payment that is past its validity date. So what are they talking about in that situation? Some checks, when you write them, they're only good for 90 days or 180 days. So that's past the validity date. The USCIS Service Center is aware of the impact of these delays and work as quickly as possible to process I-765 applications for OPT. What you can do. If you have already filed your application and are waiting for your receipt notice, USCIS appreciates your patience. Currently, USCIS recommends that you wait 8 weeks before contacting USCIS to inquire about your case status. USCIS is working as quickly as possible to complete the intake of all filings. Self-service links. As a reminder, you can create a free USCIS online account, check the status of your case, check the current processing times from your mobile device anywhere, anytime, using the USCIS Case Status online tools. Follow USCIS on social media. For more information about USCIS and their programs, please visit uscis.gov or follow USCIS on Twitter, YouTube, Facebook, and Instagram. And that's it. Stay home, stay healthy, stay strong. I hope you get the vaccine soon, and I know you will be a great American citizen. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.